Asbestos is a term used to refer to 6 naturally occurring silicate minerals. The 6 minerals in this group are chrysolite, crocodylite, amosite, anthophylite, asbestos, tremolite asbestos, and actinolite asbestos. Asbestos is an excellent electrical insulator and is highly resistant to heat, so it was used in many instances like heat-resistant clothing, automotive brakes, and a variety of building materials such as floor tiles, roofing felts, ceiling tiles, asbestos, cement pipe and sheet, and fire-resistant drywall. Asbestos is also present in pipe and boiler insulation materials and is sprayed on materials located on beams, in crawl spaces, and in between walls. The potential for an asbestos-containing product to release breathable fibers depends largely on its degree of friability. Friable means that a material can crumble with hands pressure and is therefore likely to emit fibers. The fibrous, fluffy, sprayed-on materials used for fireproofing, insulation, or soundproofing are considered to be friable, and they readily release airborne fibers if disturbed. Materials such as vinyl asbestos, floor tile, or roofing felt are considered non-friable if intact and generally do not emit airborne fibers unless subjected to sanding, sawing, or aggressive operations. Asbestos cement pipe or sheet can emit airborne fibers if the materials are cut or sawed, or if they are broken. Asbestos can cause disabling respiratory disease and various types of cancers if the fibers are inhaled or ingested. The symptoms of these diseases generally do not appear for 20 or more years after initial exposure. Asbestos-containing material that is removed from buildings must be disposed of in leak-tight 6mm plastic bags, plastic-lined cardboard containers, or plastic-lined metal containers. These wastes, which are removed while wet, should be sealed in containers before they dry out to minimize the release of asbestos fibers during handling.